Imagine this. You've had a long day at work. You're tired, hungry, and the idea of spending hours in the kitchen just doesn't appeal to you. But take heart, because today's episode is all about quick, satisfying meals that you can whip up in just 10 minutes. Welcome to Cooking Recipes, your trusty guide to delicious, easy-to-make dishes. I'm your host, and I'm here to help you navigate those busy weeknights with some mouth-watering meal ideas. First up, we're making a classic favorite, spaghetti aglio e olio. This dish is a testament to the magic that happens when you combine spaghetti noodles, garlic, olive oil, red pepper flakes, and parsley. Now, watch how this dish comes together. Boil your spaghetti according to the package instructions. Meanwhile, heat some olive oil in a pan, add minced garlic and red pepper flakes, and sauté until fragrant. Drain your pasta, add it to the pan, toss everything together, and finish it off with some chopped parsley. And there you have it. In just 10 minutes, you've created a plate of spaghetti aglio e olio that's bursting with flavor. Next, we're moving on to a dish that's a little heartier but just as quick to make, a chicken stir-fry. This dish is a perfect blend of protein and vegetables. You'll need diced chicken breast, mixed vegetables, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Start by sautéing your chicken in a pan until it's golden brown. Add your vegetables, garlic, and ginger, and stir-fry until everything is cooked. Finish it off with a splash of soy sauce for that umami flavor. And just like that, your chicken stir-fry is ready. It's colorful, packed with flavor, and sure to please even the pickiest eaters. For our final dish, we're keeping it light and fresh with a caprese salad. This dish requires minimal effort and ingredients: ripe tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil leaves, balsamic glaze, and a drizzle of olive oil. Simply slice your tomatoes and mozzarella, arrange them on a plate with basil leaves, drizzle with balsamic glaze and olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. And there you have it. 3 delicious 10-minute meals that will not only save you time but also satisfy your taste buds. We've explored the simplicity and convenience of spaghetti aglio e olio, the hearty satisfaction of a chicken stir-fry, and the fresh lightness of a caprese salad. These dishes are not only quick and easy to make, but they're also packed with flavor and nutritional benefits. Remember to subscribe to Cooking Recipes for more quick and easy meal ideas. Until next time, keep those pots simmering and your taste buds tingling. Happy cooking!